How to get notes on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Messenger has just released its own notes feature that's kind of similar to Instagram's. However, just like with any new feature, not everyone does have it. So if you are one of the few unlucky ones, just like me right here, you don't have this feature and you want to get it, what can you do? Now you can simply update your Messenger app in your mobile app store. However, if you does not have that feature even with the latest Messenger version, now what can you do? Uh, Unfortunately, there's nothing you can do about it except to wait. As with any new feature in any app, Messenger will slowly start to roll out this feature to more and more users till eventually everyone gets it. So, or what we can do, um, you and me and everyone who does not have this feature, is just to wait and be patient, and we will soon have this feature just like anybody else, and there's nothing we can do about it as we cannot control it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get the new notes feature on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.